Hello there. Good. My name is Duran, and I'm from London, England. You can have fun learning experiences with me. Are you ready? Yeah? Okay. Well, let's find out all about some colours. So let's go. Here we are. Now, we have this colour. What colour is it? Yes, it's pink. Pink. Very good. And what's that colour over there? Yeah, you're right. It's orange. Orange. And again, orange. Very good. And what's that colour? This one. It's green. Green. Very good. And again, green. Excellent. Perfect. Oh, there's another colour over here. What colour is it? That's right. It's blue. Blue. And again, blue. Excellent. Thank you. Oh, there's a colour up here. This is brown. Brown. And one here. This is yellow. Yellow. Excellent. Thank you. Okay. Now you know some colours. That's great. Let's see some animals. Are you ready? Yes. Let's go. Now. Oh, what's this? It's a meow. That's right. Cat. Cat. Very good. Now what's this one? Yeah, it's a duck. Duck. Very good. Okay. What's this one? Whoa. It's a rabbit. Rabbit. Very good. This is a That's right. It's a pig. Pig. Very good. Now, what's this one? Yeah, it's a That's right. Tiger. Tiger. Very good. Excellent. Now you know some animals. Let's play the animal game. Are you ready? Yeah? Okay. Let's go. Here we are. The first one. Ready? What is... Oh, this one. Ooh. It's a duck. Duck. Very good. Now, let's see another one. What is... Let's have a look at this one. Whoa. This is a monkey. Very good. All right, so let's go over to the monkey. Oh, go back. Okay, here it is. Monkey. Okay. Now, let's try another one. What is that one? It's a ba. Good. It's a bird. Bird. Okay, very good. Let's go to the bird. All right. So here we go. Now, there it is. Bird. Okay, you're doing really well. Let's see another one. What is this one? Good, you're right. It's a pig. There he is. Okay. Now, let's try another one. What is this one? Meow. Yeah. Aha. It's a cat. You're right. Meow. Okay. So, let's try one more. Now, can you tell me this number? What number do we have here? That's right. Whoa, there's that pig. Yeah, okay. This is number 2. Very nice. That means we can go. What animal is this one? You know it? It's a ch. Very good. Chicken. You're right. Well done. Okay, so today you learnt some colors, some animals, and played the animal game. So it was nice to meet you. So join me for a class for fun English and games soon. All right. So I'll say goodbye, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.